Hey guys, it's the Tech Kid again, and today we're going to be reviewing the new AirPods Pro on the Apple website. So here we got the AirPods Pro on the Apple website. So starting off, I think they look pretty ugly. It's just my opinion, but if you wanna, you can post your opinion down on the comments below. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash that like button, and please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. So it has active noise cancellation for immersive sound, transparency mode for hearing what's happening around you, and a customizable fit for all-day comfort and magic like you've never heard. So transparency mode is basically you can hear the stuff around you, but while listening to your music. So that's pretty cool. So here's a picture of somebody with the AirPods Pro comfortably in their ears. So it says comfort, arrival of the fittest. We refine the details of comfort, creating a new class of in-ear headphones with a customizable fit that forms an exceptional seal for active noise cancellation. You'll feel your music, not your headphones. I don't know how you're not going to feel your headphones, but I hope you'll find out later. So it has large, medium, and small. So I think the small thing would probably fit me since I'm So it says choose from these three sizes of soft, flexible silicone tips that click into place. Find the best fit and get the best sound by using the ear tip fit test. So you can just get on your phone and then just click AirPods Pro in settings or something, and then it's gonna be a tip fit that finds out if it's a good fit or not. The internally tapered tips conform to your ear shape, keeping the AirPods Pro secure, and with vents helping equalize pressure, you'll feel like there's nothing in your ears. Oh, so vents. Oh, okay. So with the vents, it's probably gonna feel how it fits in your ears probably. So active noise cancellation, sounds that cut out the noise. AirPods Pro are the only in-ear headphones with active noise cancellation that continuously adapt to the geometry of your ear and fit of the ear tips, blocking out the world so you can focus on what you're listening to. It has an outward-facing microphone that detects external sound, and then the AirPods Pro counters it with equal anti-noise canceling the external sound before it hits your eardrum. That's pretty cool. And you can see that little indentation there. That's actually Force Touch, which is a really good feature and not on any AirPods. That's pretty nice. An inward-facing microphone listens to inside your ear for unwanted sound, which is also eliminated with anti-noise. I don't get why they would need an inward-facing microphone if anti-sound eliminates the thing. So they're basically degrading their own product. Wow. Noise cancellation is continuously adjusted at 200 times per second for truly immersive sound. So you're fully tuned into your music, podcasts, and calls. So that's pretty cool. That's a picture with somebody that has it in their ear. So that's pretty cool, how it's just fits snugly into their ear, and how it's just like that, and how the thing adapts. So want to hear what's happening around you, just press and hold the force sensor on the stem to jump between active noise cancellation and transparency mode, which lets outside sound in and allows things to sound and feel natural when you're talking to people nearby. See, I told you, literally right there on the stem where she's putting her finger. See, I told you before. How do you call it? Everything you hear is unheard of. I don't get that. Honestly. So it says enjoy superior sound with adaptive EQ, which automatically tunes music to the shape of your ear for rich, consistent listening experience. That's pretty cool. So powerful bass is delivered by custom built high excursion, low distortion speaker drivers. So one of those things that are they're on the really big speakers and are just go in and out and stuff. That's one of those things, but mini. An inward-facing microphone hears sound as you do, and then AirPods Pro fine-tunes the audio by adjusting the mid and low frequency. So like that tiny thing right there, that's literally like 10 times smaller than the chip, like the literally ear thing, the ear the earbud thing. Like, you know what I'm talking about. And so the amplifier powers the speaker driver to remove background noise, and it works with the H1 chip to control listening levels. So that's a little tiny chip right there. And it's a super efficient, high dynamic range amplifier that produces pure, incredibly clear sound while also extending the battery life. Wow, so it's like, but if it, doesn't it just consume battery in order to make more battery life? I'm confused here. So it's the performance and design, a chip with serious chops. I love the Apple like catchphrase thingies. Like they're just like quirky and stuff. I just love things like that. Tech packed yet compact, AirPods Pro are built around our system and package design, featuring the H1 chip that powers everything from sound to Siri. So the Apple design H1 chip employs 10 audio cores in one little tiny headphone thingy, and creating incredibly low audio processing latency that enables real-time noise cancellation. So it incredibly low audio processing latency, so it takes like a very short time to process the audio. So the system and package design is meticulously arranged with the placement of each component based on the form of the human ear, maximizing comfort, fit, and stability. Nice. Kind of it looks like gold and kind of like cyborg foot or something like that. That's pretty cool. So that's like the force touch thing, as I told you earlier. The force sensor to easily control music and calls and switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. You can also touch and hold the volume slider and control center on your phone to change modes. So like as you can see, like on the very bottom, that's like the magnetic thing that connects into the case. So designed to keep up with you, AirPods Pro are sweat and water resistant, and they feature an expanded mesh microphone port that improves call clarity in windy situations. Also, I think that's the microphone. Like, let me just zoom in there. Like, that's kind of mesh, you know? Like, kind of like the mesh, like thing. So that's pretty cool. It has charged wirelessly, used tirelessly. Again, I love these things. They're just so quirky. The wireless charging case delivers more than 24 hours of battery life to keep you and your AirPods Pro on the go, and is compatible with QI Certified chargers. That's not like really impressive on battery life. It's kind of good, but like not that much, because like some headphones that are cheaper like this, like the Beats Solo 3 wireless and stuff, they have 40 hours of battery life on a full charge. And so it has more than 24 hours of listening time with additional charges. And the Beats Solo 3 Pro, which I have more than 45 hours. I mean, more than like 40 hours on one charge. And with multiple additional chargers in the case, that's about half or something. That's a 4.5 hours of listening time on one charge. So with one charge, of course, as I was saying earlier, the Beats Solo 3 wireless are they're like 45 instead of 4.5, if you know what I mean. Around 1 hour of listening time, only 5 minutes of charging, which isn't that impressive considering the Beats Solo 3 wireless. I don't know how many times I'm going to mention this, but they have around 3 hours of battery on only 3 minutes. 5 minutes of charging. So magical experience, simplicity from start to Siri. So just like AirPods Pro connect magically to your iPhone or Apple Watch. I've always liked this feature for some reason. It's just like you don't have to go into settings and manually do all of that stuff. You can just it just shows up on your phone. So that's pretty cool. And as you can see, we see the case here, and I just think it's ugly, because everything about the new AirPods Pro. I think it's just ugly. Okay, it's my opinion, and like if you want to post your opinion down in the comments, I would really appreciate that. And go ahead and smash that like button, and please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me, and it would really help this channel grow, especially these days where I'm starting out. So I thought it was just a little message for you. So it says, use the ear tip fit test to create the optimal listening experience. You'll get the right tip size for your ears and the best seal for noise cancellation. So that's really good. So for the, you just go into settings and then you just go into AirPods Pro or something. So that's really cool. A simple, Siri, because when I say that word, two words, I summon my Siri. So it says a simple blank blank summons your favorite personal assistant. Control your music, calls, volume, directions, and more without lifting a finger. So it says share a song, podcast, or other audio stream between two sets of AirPods with audio sharing. So of course, with iOS 13 and all that stuff, like you can control the volume, and like if you're watching a movie and you don't want to put it on full volume, you can just use that. Of course, it only works with Apple Music, Apple things. So like if you have like things that aren't with Apple, so you can customize them on the if you buy them from Apple with emojis and stuff. And so to like, subscribe, and click the bell button. As always, this is the Tech Kid signing off.